I'll see you in a little bit. Say a week and a half. What is going on, everybody? We are back with another vlog. I haven't done one of these in, oh god, it's been quite some time. We are on our way down to our final stop in Savannah, Georgia for my cousin's wedding this weekend. But first, we're gonna make a few pit stops on the way. Shenandoah National Park today and tomorrow. Next stop will be New River Gorge, West Virginia. Making our way down to North Carolina to visit some family for about a day to a day and a half, hang out with them, have some dinner. And then all the way down to Savannah, Georgia. Gonna be hitting some national parks on the way. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. So we're down here in Virginia. We actually got to our hotel about an hour or two early, which I wasn't planning on it, but it just so happens that traffic wasn't too bad. We Googled places to go and things to do around here, and we are now at Skyline Caverns. I believe there's another cavern called the Caverns right down the road. This trip is probably gonna be one of those where we just stop, take a break, Google places to go around us, and just kind of go with the flow, and it's gonna be a fun one. So let's go check out the Skyline Caverns. Today's dinner. So what do you got there, bud?
I have some lasagna with meat sauce.
First bite, let's see how it is. On a scale from 1 to 10. On normal lasagna.
Say an 8.
8? That's pretty good. And what does the dog mom have?
I have beef stroganoff.
Ooh.
With noodles.
Let's try it out. Still a little hot?
Oh. What's up?
Good. Scale 1 to 10. 6, 7?
10 for 10 would recommend.
10 for 10 would recommend. There you go. Chicken teriyaki.
Scale of 1 to 10.
8.7. Solid 8.7. But if you're ever on the go, this is not a sponsor whatsoever, but if you ever are on the go, staying in hotel rooms, driving around, whatever, get a Jetboil. They're fairly inexpensive. Pick up a few of these. They're also fairly inexpensive. Quick, easy meal, takes less than 15 minutes. All you need is hot water. Got that with Jetboil. Stir it up a little bit. Good to go. And I tore that off, but I think there's like 12 grams of protein.
Yeah, 11 or 12 in each of them.
In most of them. And And for dessert, we got some of those.
This is hard to draw.
Don't whack yourself in the forehead with that one. Give it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Ooh-wee.
Try a bite even.
I was expecting it to like melt
More,
a
yeah.
little bit more. Kind of just tastes like a cookie with
It
vanilla.
reminds me of the consistency of toffee.
I've never eaten toffee, so I wouldn't know. So those MREs were really, really good. This is where I'm gonna end the vlog for today. I will see you guys kind of bright and early tomorrow morning, and we are going to be checking out Shenandoah National Park. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, Virginia. We got up, it is almost 8 o'clock, right on time as scheduled. We're gonna be headed over to Shenandoah National Park. We got a few waterfalls I'm gonna check out, a bunch of overlooks along Skyline Drive, and then after we're done Skyline Drive and Shenandoah National Park, we got about a 3-hour drive over to West Virginia for tonight and tomorrow. So we'll see you at Shenandoah. Well guys, we finally, after about 4 hours, made it to our hotel in West Virginia. We did end up going to a few more lookouts, didn't really film. We took some photos, and then from there, drove all the way through Virginia, almost ran out of gas. And after that, we found an Olive Garden because we were kind of all craving Olive Garden. And now we are finally in West Virginia. That is where I'm gonna end this video. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be exploring around West Virginia a little bit, the New River Gorge Bridge. If you haven't been there, I've been there about 5 or 6 times. I'm gonna be exploring that tomorrow, possibly 1 or 2 more waterfalls and or hikes. And then we're gonna be heading from West Virginia all the way down to around Charlotte area, North Carolina, to visit some family. So stay tuned for that, and we will catch you guys in the next video. How was your day?
Good.
What was your most favorite part of the day?
Let's see. Visiting the waterfalls. We'll see you in the next video.